Welcome to my one chapter daily Bible reading. Let us read the Word of God that is forever new. Please like, share, and
Genesis chapter 1. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. Now the earth was formless and empty, and darkness was over the surface of the deep, and the Spirit of God was hovering over the waters. And God said, "Let there be light." And there was light. God saw that the earth was good, and he separated the light from the darkness. God called the light day, and the darkness he called night. And there was evening, and there was morning, the first day. And God said, "Let there be a vault between the waters to separate water from water." So God made the vault and separated water under the vault from the water above it. And it was so. God called the vault sky. And there was evening, and there was morning in the second day. And God said, "Let the water under the sky be gathered to one place. Let the dry ground appear." And it was so. God called the dry ground land, and the gathered waters he called seas. And God saw that it was good. Then God said, "Let the land produce vegetations, seed-bearing plants, and trees on the land that bears fruit with seed in it, according to their various kinds." And it was so. The land produced vegetation, plants bearing seed according to their kinds, and trees bearing fruit with seed in it according to their kinds. And God saw that it was good. And there was evening, and there was morning, the third day. And God said, "Let there be light in the vault of the sky to separate the day from the night, and let them serve as signs to mark sacred times and days and years. And let them be lights in the vault of the sky to give light on the earth." And it was so. God made two lights, the greater light to govern the day, and the lesser night to govern the night. He also made the stars. God set them in the vault of the sky to give light on the earth, to govern the day and the night, and to separate light from darkness. And God saw that it was good. And there was evening, and there was morning, the fourth day. And God said, "Let the waters teem with living creatures. Let the birds fly above the earth across the vault of the sky." So God created the great creatures of the sea and every living thing within which the water teems, that moves about in it according to their kind, and every winged bird to its kind. And God saw that it was good. God blessed them and said, "Be fruitful and increase in number, and fill the water in the sea, and let the birds increase on the earth." And there was evening, and there was morning, the fifth day. And God said, "Let the land produce living creatures according to their kind, the livestock, the creatures that move along the ground, the wild animals, each according to its kind." And it was so. God made the wild animals according to their kinds, the livestock according to their kind, and all the creatures that move along the ground according to their kind. And God saw that it was good. Then God said, "Let us make man in our image, in our likeness, so that they may rule over the fish in the sea, and the birds in the sky, over the livestock, and all the wild animals, and over all the creatures that move along the ground." So God created mankind in his own image. In the image of God he created them, male and female he created them. God blessed them and said to them, "Be fruitful and increase in number, fill the earth and subdue it, rule over the fish in the sea and the birds in the sky, and over every living creature that moves on the ground." Then God said, "I give you every seed-bearing plant on the face of the whole earth, and every tree that has fruit with seed in it. They will be yours for food, and all the beasts of the earth, and all the birds in the sky, and all the creatures that move along the ground, everything that has the breath of life in it, I give every green plant for food. And it was so. God saw all that he had made, and it was very good. And it was evening, and it was morning, the sixth day. So folks, this is Genesis chapter 1. It tells us God's creation in 6 days. It starts in the beginning where God himself created the heavens and the earth. And then the earth was described as wild, waste, and uninhabited, with darkness over a chaotic abyss. And the Spirit of God hovered over the waters, ready to bring order. It shows God is a God of order. And the 6th day, God's work of ordering creatures occurs over 6 days, each marked by the phrase, "and God said," and concluding with, "and there was evening and morning." So days 1 to 3, establishing the realms. God separates darkness and light, creates the sky, vaults to separate waters above and below, and form dry land and sea. Days 4 to 6 was the filling of the realms. God fills the realm with lights, that's the sun, the moon, and the stars. Seas with creatures, birds, land animal, and finally humans. It points to us that God is indeed a great creator, and God is a God of order. He puts things in order. So folks, until we meet again with Genesis 2, God bless every one of you that have been able to listen to this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. God bless you all.